In this lecture, we will discuss about 6.1.4, that is AI System Impact Assessment. Let us understand the requirements. It says that impact assessment should consider impact on individuals, groups and society. So, assessment should consider AI's use, deployment and possible misuse. Impact should consider technical factors, social factors and legal factors of use of AI. Results should be documented and made available to relevant stakeholders if required. And finally, results of the impact assessment should be considered in your risk register. So, if any risk is being identified from the impact assessment, then it should be included in your risk register, and then you need to have a well-defined risk response for that particular identified risk. Now, question is how to implement the same. There are two aspects. First one, you need to have a well-defined procedure for creating an impact assessment, and second one is a template for AI impact assessment. First, let us understand how to define a procedure. So this is our AI-MS policy. Within this AI-MS policy, we have defined a procedure for AI system impact assessment. It says that who is responsible, when it should be done, who should approve that, and relevant factors. Also, let us check an actual impact assessment report. So this will give you idea. So this is AI impact assessment template. You can use the same for your assessment. You can modify as per your requirement. So basically it considers technical and security consideration, ethical, legal and regulatory requirements, societal and business impact, and then finally results and whether it has been included in your risk register or not. So with this we complete 6.1.4, that is impact assessment. Thanks for watching.